Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks. And yesterday I was working on this logo for somebody, and I kept sending the file, and it kept having hairlines. And I kept looking for them, and right in here, these words that I'd actually traced had hairlines in them. And then she said it still had hairlines, so I really wanted to find them. Well, there's a couple ways to do this. I'm going to select the whole thing. Well, first of all, I'm going to see if it's broken apart, and it is. I'm going to select the whole thing. I'm going to go to Windows. I'm going to go to Dockers, and I'm going to go to Object Manager. And we can make this window quite a bit larger. And you can see the half point lines. They're 0.5, 0.00 point. And there's one that is a hairline. And it's just because I know it. So you could go through and look at all these lines because this window's been extended. Like this one is not a hairline. I must have changed that one and then change this one. So if you rastered this job and then cut it out in the shape of the circle, it's going to come back and it's going to cut this circle out. And that'd be bad or a no-no. So in lieu of looking at all these lines, and you can just kind of double check, you can go to Edit, Find and Replace, Find Objects, and I've done a video almost like this, but this is a little bit different. Go to Outlines, Outline Properties, and hit Next. And right up here, we're going to look for the width. And I want to check less than, and I need to change this from inches to points, because I'm using points. I don't know what these hairlines actually are because it just says hairline. But I know my smallest line that I draw in is 0.5 line. So I'm going to draw in 0.499. So I want everything less than 4.99 line. I'm going to hit Next. I'm going to tell it to finish. I'm going to tell it to find all. And there it is right there. It found that one. So let's do this test again. Let's change this line right here to a hairline. So now we've got two that are hairlines. But let's say we don't know where they're at. So we're going to, I don't even know if you have to select all this. No, you don't. You don't want to do that. But we're going to go to Edit, Find and Replace, Find Objects, Begin New Search. We want to find outlines. We want to find outline properties. Hit Next. We want to look for the width. We want to change it to points or whatever you're using. And we don't want exactly. We want less than 0.499. And hit Next. Finish. Now find all. See, it's already found that one. We're going to hit Find All. Well, there's our two hairlines. So you could do one thing right here. You've got them both selected. Just double click on that box. And the easiest thing, because they're a black field, you could just put none. And your circles are the same. And now there's no hairlines in this drawing whatsoever. Anyway, I hope that helped a little bit. Thank you for watching.